In this video, I will show you how to create amazing wrestling videos using AI tools. Channels like Fish Hub Central are making incredible wrestling shorts that go viral. Learn the techniques they use to captivate audiences. Start your journey to creating stunning AI-powered wrestling content today.
And Roddy and Crew's gonna fly! Beautiful! Oh, wait a minute, the megastar's lining up solo and Bianca's gonna finish what Becky Lynch tried to start. No, please.
To create professional wrestling videos, you need this prompt. You can customize it like a towering black giant wrestler and an opponent smaller, as you can see in red color. You can also create more prompts like this one. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT and then type, write 5 or 10 related prompts. That's all. After that, you need a text-to-image generator like Microsoft Designer or Piclumen AI. After opening it, first select Flux Schnell, then choose the image aspect ratio. Select the number of images, paste your prompt, and click the Generate button. Here, you can choose any model of Piclumen AI. Now download the image that you want to use in your video. Now we need more prompts. So copy and paste into ChatGPT and press Enter. ChatGPT will provide you with more prompts related to this one. You can customize it, like adding a baby or a female opponent, etc. Now copy and paste these newly generated prompts into Piclumen AI again. With these new prompts, you will get more amazing images. For example, I am adding a baby as the opponent. This time, the Flux model is not generating good images. So I changed it to the Piclumen Realistic Model Vive 2. This means if one model is not generating your images perfectly, then try a different model. Now you can generate AI wrestling images for your video. You can use only one prompt and customize it according to your needs. You can find these prompt documents in the video description. Now, let's move on to the image to video method. For the image to video process, I am using Hailuo AI. This tool is free and perfect for creating this type of video. After creating a free account, click on the Try Now button. Next, upload your wrestling images. In the model section, choose the new model i2v Live. Hailuo i2v01. Live is the latest addition to the i2v series, designed to revolutionize the presentation of 2D illustrations. However, this model also generates amazing results for regular images. You will need motion prompts, which I have already shared with you in the document file. Simply copy any motion prompt, paste it into Hailuo AI, and click the Generate button. That's all. You will need to upload each image one by one and use the same motion prompt. This method is very simple and easy, but you need to select the right image to video tool for this type of video. Here, you can see the amazing clips generated by Hailuo AI. Personally, I really liked the baby wrestling clip. Finally, save all these clips to your PC or mobile device, then open any video editing tool like CapCut, Filmora, or any other tool you find easy to use. Now, after opening CapCut, import all clips and drag them onto the timeline. Next, you need wrestling sound effects. Simply open YouTube and search for long wrestling videos. You can take sound effects from these long videos or use any AI tools to generate wrestling sound effects. Once you have the sound effects, drag them onto the timeline. You can also add transitions and background effects if you want to make the video more professional. For example, you can add punch sound effects or other details. This depends on your video editing skills. These types of short videos are perfect for YouTube and TikTok. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments. See you in the next video.
Bianca's gonna finish what Becky Lynch tried to start. No, please. Bianca's not playing. Oh!